Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for being here. This video is my weekday routine, so I'm just showing you guys what I do. I believe this day was Thursday or Friday, and I'm just going to show you guys how I reset myself for Saturday morning. Yeah, I believe it was Friday, so I'm showing you guys how I reset for Saturday morning, because on Saturdays I usually take Saturdays as my rest day, so I don't really do anything but lounge with the girls, and hubby, if he's off. And yeah, but I'm rambling, so I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video. And I basically touched the entire house in this video, I believe. Yeah, but I'm not going to come back and say anything, guys. So thank you for being here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I'd love to chat to you guys in the comment section. Have a blessed weekend, y'all, and I will see you in my next one. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys are doing well.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems.
So guys, I know I sound horrible, but this company reached out to me. They're called Busties, and they're called Busties, and they sell on Amazon. They sell on Amazon. These are breast tapes, guys. I've always wanted to try breast tapes, because you might not know, but I hate wearing bra. Even when I'm working out, I just hate wearing bra, but I have to because I am breastfeeding, so I have to wear them now. But I'm thankful that these will replace my bras when I'm going out. So quickly, it's a roll of 2 feet times 16.5 inches. It has 1 pair of reusable silicone lifting nipple covers, 4 pairs of satin flower nipple cover, and 1 skin sensitive test kit. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, so you can definitely go ahead and check them out. And it'll be a coupon code, and this is what all comes in the box. So this is the tape, the roll of tape. You got a bag to carry the rubber, which is convenient. That's nice. And so this is the satin thing and the reusable silicone tape. And you get a test, skin sensitive test kits included. So I'm going to try it for you guys. Give me a second. I'm going to show you the before and after photo. So guys, this is what it's looking like without the thing. Excuse my nipple. So without the bra, without the nipple covering, this is what it is looking like, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the covering. So guys, this is the after with the silicone lift. So this is it right there. I just still figuring out how to use the tape. I mean, this is the after with the tape. This is the one I'm trying. This right here. So this is what I did with the tape, and this is the after with the tape. You can see the lighting through it. So I mean, that's not bad. I still have to figure out how to use the tape properly, but I like it. So this side is the tape, and this side is the silicone thing. Oh, this side looks better. Like the tape makes it looks like. So the tape make it look. Ooh. So all in all, guys, I like it. I love it, and it comes with a little instruction manual to follow. So, and it comes with a thing you can tape off and put it on. So I like it. Definitely check them out and give them a try. Alright, link will be in my description box, guys. I love y'all, and thank you to Busties. This far, thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Leave me a like and a comment, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Love y'all. And as you can see, there goes my shadow, always behind me. Can't get rid of her.